This video shows how to install programming software. First, install the programming software cable driver. Select the zip file, double-click to unzip it. Select the first program, Setup. The programming software cable driver has been installed. Power on the radio. Connect the radio with programming cable to PC. Choose C7000 USB driver installing, zip file. Unzip it. Find the InfWizard program. Right-click and run as administrator. Choose the Walkie-Talkie C7000 and click Next. Create new folder C7000 and save. Click Install now. Please wait patiently for a while. C7000 USB driver has been installed. You can find the Walkie-Talkie C7000 in the PC Equipment Management. Finally, we will install the programming software. Select Setup, zip file. Unzip and install it. If it cannot run, you need right-click and run as administrator. Choose Write File and click Next. Programming software has been installed. Now, we can find CPSDMR icon. Right-click and run as administrator. Click here and wait to read data from radio. Now you can view all the information of the radio.